So I had to restart the stream. Sorry for that. But nothing changed compared to the stream. So we just took out those relative equal lows. Nothing too special. Yeah, it's possible now that after we invest this 1 minute with a nice momentum, that we go down to the equal lows without making new highs, but I don't like it because like this, all the 2 minutes, and here's the 3 minute, here and here, and there's a 4 minute, so let's hope just we get a move up and then another move down. We had some really nice price action yesterday. If you want, you can rewatch the stream. I called, at least the bias was right, but I think I could have taken the entry after the 5 minute inverse, after it came back a little bit on the 1 minute. There would have been an entry possible, but I didn't see it, so it's totally okay. I always have to remind myself if I don't trade, so I don't lose money. So better not to take the ones you're not 100% sure or are confident enough to take. So yeah, but I'm still learning, so I will try my best. Going to check if there is some news. There were news at 2:30, but no nice weekend target, so didn't really have a high impact. I wish there would be like a little bit. So, for example, I will show you. Bum, bum, bum. Here, right? This one is really nice. So if you have like a week like this, data high and data low, like data low is the big work, there is a high probability that we go to this data point or to this point in the session. And yeah, that's what we did on first data 22 August. Yeah, we went high and then we got this really nice inversion setup to the data lows. So for now it's just waiting. Oh, this price action at the moment is really dead. What else equal those? Yeah. Oh, this would be even nicer. If we have to move up now to this internal high, or to this buy side liquidity, and then target them, but maybe they get taken out now. The reason I'm short is we have this 4-hour fair value gap, and currently we are, this is a higher time frame, so there's a higher probability that we respect it. So okay, the equal lows got taken out, or not? Yeah, they did. Okay. Yeah, so again, respecting for bearish fair value gap, so looking for shorts. We even have this 1 hour which got respected. 15-minute looks really bullish. Okay, now they got taken out. So there are no really clear targets for shorts now. So if we get now, it depends on the reaction we have now, because like those wicks are also really interesting, because it's like collecting or still resting buy side liquidity here. So I'm not. So I would take longs. It depends a little bit on. We rebalance this 15-minute, and we have no equal lows anymore. this is not like the most perfect low resistance liquidity, but still target which can be taken. I would say it like that. So if you see a strong move up, yeah. So if we invest this 2 minute, I'm willing to take longs, but I will check if there is, okay, there 85 needs to be hit so that there is no 3 minute. If it will be hit, I will take the 3 minute. Okay, maybe we get a move. But I will not take. I'm willing to risk, I'm trading 5 micro, so I'm willing to risk 30 points. It's $300. But I need to wait for this. sure if we get a small 5-minute. Yeah, so we need to wait another 5 minutes to see if it gets inverse or not. If not, I'm thinking about going off because this price action is not like super clear and it's kind of slow, so no point in trading it. I hope you don't miss it now. But it happened so many times that it got rejected before after the close, so I won't be letting me influence by a strong impulse during the candle. And if it gets inversed, I will hope to get maybe a pullback. We will see. If we get this inverse this high, I will probably take less than 5 contracts because the risk is just too high. It would be nice if we inverse like this 5-minute before taking the internal high, because normally I like to go break even at that point. Yeah, so I'm going to show you what I will do now. will take 3 contracts. No, 4. And this is my account where I accept a little bit more risk. But trying to get to scale of 1 contract at 21 and going break even, then another one at 35, and the rest need to check again the charts at 89. Going break even. It's not a super nice break even point. Like the entry is still, it's really close also to the 9 EMA. I usually don't use EMAs, but I think it's from my old strategies. The 9 EMA is like some point if I get a late entry and it's like far away from the 9 EMA, I'm trying to wait for the pullback because it happens often, so probably get another chance. Yeah, and we see here like the 9 EMA is, the stop loss is above the 9 EMA, so it's not, I don't like it too much, but the rules for me are going break even at internal highs, and that's totally fine. Nice. Next TP hit. We're now in this 1 minute fair value gap. Those are still combines, if you wonder, so no real money. And I am hoping to go to to get the Express accounts. They are also simulated, but you can get money from them. So yeah, that's the plan. Yeah, I will just adjust the target to 85 to that high, because yeah, the next one is like at 92, so, or no, it's at, yeah, 91, and it's not too far from that, it's just like 20 bucks, so yeah, I don't care about 20 bucks or 30 bucks, I don't know exactly. Yeah, So let's hope to get a little bit of buyers in. With every move up, you expect an correction or like, yeah, the price going down to get new buyers in before the new move. But we might get stopped out here, which is totally fine. We scaled our 2 contracts. This is the other account where I accept a little bit more risk. So this would be nice because if this kind of close and we get another push up, it seems like the EMA got touched in hindsight, but yeah, you see, it actually didn't. So that's why I also don't really like EMAs, because after that it's like super clear, but before that it's, yeah, I don't know. So for now it's just waiting. The profit target is really optimistic. I mean, it's yes, close to 60 points, but I mean it's the next internal high. So if you have a few more contracts, you can also get another one off at 47.54 or something like that. Just to give it to don't give it back all. $2, so sometimes you have a little bit of slippage. I'm not really scared of those candles because they seem For me, they seem like some collecting buyers, and after a few minutes and price don't go down too much, we see those impulsive candles. Well, at least we hope to see those impulsive candles, but it makes sense. We always get some strong moves up or down, then get some wiggle where it doesn't make sense to trade. That's why we also say like the trend is your friend, because it really doesn't make sense to trade anywhere in this or in this. So you always hope to be in the move or to trade a move. And if we have those moves up, it would be nice if we. So I like this candle, but of course only if it doesn't hit my stop loss, because if we have like a move up and we leave all those low resistance liquidity, they're not a target for shorts. So it would be better if we have the move up. We can also see it like here every time we hit those other highs, for example here, and get a clear move down. And it would be really nice if we don't leave too much low resistance liquidity, just grabbing it like here, grabbing the liquidity from there, and then ripping up another time. Not sure about my other. I don't know. Still in. Maybe I can show you another example. Yeah. Not on this platform. This is just to trade. It's trading new data, but I don't really like this layout because of all the other stuff here. So I just use trading view for the charts. I'll just check if we have any other targets. No, if this works, I'm totally fine. I just see I have 2 contracts, so we can do the same strategy then with the other. And this is what I mean. Like in this phase, it's just collecting liquidity. Price not going down really, and this candle is just grabbing the low resistance liquidity from here and then going up. sorry for that. Yeah, I think you even invest this 1 minute. I'll just check on TradingView if we, because this is the MNQ chart. Yeah, we also inversed on the NQ also, respecting now the 1 minute. And if we get this 1 minute inverse here, there's a high probability we go to this low and then probably get stopped out, but we will see. At the moment, everything looks in our favor. There's another impulse, we get this correction. I'm not really sure if it's an English word actually, because in Germany we say correction. Maybe I will just look at some other streamers and see what they use for words. Oh, I just see it's the 45 EMA. Only it's like that, yeah. But it's the same for every EMA, so the explanation is or was right, what still counts even for the high. You see, when we go away from the 9 EMA, we go back and starting the next move. But you don't know when it's like not turning out, so that's why I would like the EMAs. But sometimes they're really nice, as I said, to get some entry. If you're looking for shorts and you're like here, so you wouldn't want, but you're still interested, you can wait for this little pullback after the move, and the 9 EMA is a nice orientation. So with this account I have 3. I will take one more off here, and so secured in 280. And with that account I need to wait. But it should definitely hit, because this up move is like, we took out this liquidity here, internal low, there's a 15-minute fair value gap, we, with the move up, we grabbed the liquidity from the candles below, so no resistance liquidity, low resistance liquidity left, like I explained earlier, and this is a nice move up. That's what I wanted to see, and yeah. By the way, this is the other account, a little bit lower, Nice target hit. And now yeah, it's always like that. But I'm still expecting a little bit more and take out this also because it's still so close. Normally it get hit. This other move was so clear. I'm just expecting that I'm still going to not give everything back. So this is currently the leader account is currently the one with the highest balance. Don't want to see any close under the 9 EMA now. Just want to have it straight up and hit this 92 at least. But it's also okay to get like a little bit of a pullback because we have those 4 green candles in a row. So I'm fine with a little bit of a pullback, even also after this liquidity here. Just going to check if there are, okay, like on the NQ, the liquidity got hit. So yeah, I'm willing to take it off, but still waiting. Maybe we get it with this push. It's not what I wanted. Oops. I will just take it off here. I'm fine with that.